Hey everyone, I'm Cam, data scientist at Datawisp, and today I'm going to show you how you as a product manager can get the most out of the data at your disposal. Let's jump right in. Product management is becoming more and more data-driven each and every day. If you're not using every bit of data at your disposal, you're being left behind. With the democratization of AI, it's becoming even easier to do this. Let's say you're a product manager at a B2B messenger company. We've uploaded our data into Datawisp. This is a data set of messages that all of our customers have sent. We want to know who to upsell a new premium product to. It's our job to select out of 10 customers who the top 2 are to upsell this product to. This product promises better security. It promises increased storage for large file types and increased quality of video and image messages. Because we know that, we know who our target market should be, and Datawisp will help us select these. So we have our data set uploaded, and Wispy generates some questions that it thinks might be interesting. We know that what might be good to start with is how many messages have each customer sent. This is a decent place to start to get us an idea of how much each of these customers are actually using our product. It crunches some numbers, it gives us an answer, and it'll build a chart. So we see that 9 and 6 send the most messages, followed by the rest. So these are our immediate contenders. Now, if you remember, one of the promises of our new platform is increased quality of audio and video and image messages. So we want to make sure that of these top companies, which ones are actually using those features. So of companies with more than, we'll say 5K messages break down the messages by type. And again, it crunches the numbers. And for each of these companies with more than 5K total messages, we look at the number of video and audio versus text, image, and file. So again, 6 and 9 look to be contenders. These other contenders, while they have quite a few messages, don't really use one of the features that were promised. So we can also look at the amount of total storage being used by each of these. For these companies, calculate the total size of all messages. And again, it crunches the numbers and gives us our answers. So per all 3 of these metrics, it looks like company 9 and company 6 are great contenders for our new product. This is an example of how we can use Datawisp to rapidly prototype and rapidly find results that are hidden deep in our data.